Beautiful hair is the frame of a woman's beauty. Beautiful hair is something that is admired by everyone. In all my years in the hair business, it has been my mission to find the very best hair to provide my clients with. And now I have found the best of the best in Bologna, Italy. The company is not a new company, but for over 40 years has been manufacturing the most beautiful hair in the world. The CRLAB Laboratories has now partnered with Main Image to now provide our clients and new clients with the most beautiful hair available in the world. It is virgin hair that is implanted into a dermatology-tested membrane with a state-of-the-art patented method. But instead of telling you about it, I want to take you to Bologna, Italy to see for yourself and learn about where this beautiful hair comes from. Are you ready? Let's go!
Millions of women and millions of men suffer hair loss, damaging confidence, self-esteem, and well-being. But many have found a solution and are living their lives without compromise. The CNC hair replacement system, scientifically advanced, natural, and designed for you by CRLAB Laboratories. Experience a full head of hair, once again, forever. Look amazing, feel amazing.
From the moment you enter a CRL clinic, the company has one main focus, you. We know how devastating your hair loss is to you. Following a consultation about the history of how your hair has changed over time, the products you use and have used to treat the condition and the incidence of hair loss in your family, CRL will conduct a thorough examination of your hair and scalp using the proprietary trichotest evaluation system. From the results of this thorough analysis, a customized treatment program will be recommended just for you, helping you start on a program that will literally change your life. The program designed specifically for you might be the CRLAB Lab's trichological system, the CNC Natural Contact Hair System, or a combination of both. Should you be a candidate for the CNC, a dermatological compatibility test will be initiated, an analysis of the shape of your face, the natural direction of your hair growth pattern, and optimum hair density, the color of your scalp, and most important, the precise pattern of your hair loss area become the determining factors of the design of your new hair, your CNC system. A process of creating your new hair starts with an exact model of your cranial shape made with a plaster of Paris cast. From this mold, which is sent to CRL in Bologna along with a sample of your hair and skin tone match detail, the company's state-of-the-art lab simultaneously builds a model of your head and hair loss area, mixes a special polymer compound which becomes the base of your new hair system, while virgin human hair is selected and blended to match your own in both color and wave pattern. Following completion of the base membrane of your system, the blended hair is hand-implanted by trained craft persons, one at a time at specific angulation and in the proper density to complete your new hair. When returned to CRL Clinic, who is guiding your transformation, the CNC is ready to be applied. Unlike other methods, no existing hair in the thinning area needs to be removed. Rather, a proprietary dermatologically tested medical adhesive is applied to secure the systems for weeks at a time. The most exciting part of this experience is watching the transformation of the hair, or lack of, that you have suffered with, to a complete head of hair that will be cut and styled as from the design you choose. We think of this as the most important hairstyling experience of your life. Now you can blow dry it, run your fingers through, shake your head and hair, gel it, or just let the wind blow through your new hair. Now forget about your past hair problems and move on to enjoying your life with the look and feel of normal hair.